Welcome to Tips and Tricks with Unrulr. Today we're joined by the incomparable head of community and growth at Unrulr, Aaron Schorn, who will be sharing a tip on how to build identity and human connection within your group. Take it away, Aaron.
It's all about summer camping it. Whether it's an AP environmental science class, a senior capstone, a social entrepreneurship class for 8th graders, you want to create trust and you want to create the ability for vulnerability in a classroom. And so I always start with identity and social and emotional learning. And if you're using Unrulr, Jack and I are a bit biased. We think it's the best tool to do this in. You're able to have your learners capture in a modality and multimedia that speaks to them, that allows them to kind of capture evidence from their past or their present on who they are. The first question we ask is, who are you and what fuels you? A very simple and extremely complex question at the same time. And the power of getting responses that aren't just kind of in a circle or not a 10-paragraph essay is that your learners and you as teachers can really display through a diversity of multimedia evidence, and choosing kind of a modality that is much more fluid to kind of capture who you are and what fuels you. And so that's really the power. It's how we onboard everyone in Unrulr, is getting your learners to actually see in a communal way who they're partnering or collaborating with or who they're sitting next to. And I always push teachers in Unrulr and in any communities to be able to answer that question as well. Don't just ask your learners, you respond and show who you are and what fuels you as well. So I think, Jack, this is one of the most important pieces of advice I give to any learning community. And I'm glad it's our first tip and trick.